I meant to take a video yesterday because I wanted to show you more of the growth process, but if you look here, very young, whereas yesterday this one looked like that. I believe this is Leotoporus cincinnatus. More orange, more white underneath. Okay, we gonna check that mushroom. Maybe we gonna cut it. Oh yeah, check it out. The other one is still little. Got a lot of growth. Deeper orange color in some places here on the top. And then pretty much white underneath. Let me cut it real quick. This guy's been coming back every fall. And we gonna have some grub. Now I'm gonna leave this remnant. It's not much here, but I'm gonna let that grow and re-spore. They do say to leave part of it for next time. Probably gonna cut it kind of each piece because it's harder here. Although this is still young, so this is still kind of tender, which is edible. But once it starts getting harder toward the center, it's not as enjoyable for cooking. Whereas these ends, go behind the dirt, washes right off, and if not, what did they say? God made dirt, so dirt don't hurt. Okay, so what I'm left with here is the base. And you can feel it, not as spongy, therefore not as tender to eat. I just compost this. Okay, we got these pups dried up, washed up, dried up. I'll show you how I cook them later. Forgot to update the cooking, so here we go. Flour, egg, and then panko with seasonings. Fry until golden brown. Then I like to toss them in the old air fryer for a little bit, just to crisp them up. Saw this, which I had collected off of probably about 2 weeks ago now. I believe this is a different species of Leotoporus, and I wanted to show because you can see there's all kind of bugs, and the flesh is really hard. It's really hard even out here to the end. I mean, it's kind of trying to crumble in my fingers, but not like a wet sponge on the one I just harvested earlier. Kind of the last stages before pretty much just kind of disintegrates. Or something comes along and eats it, but you can see all the bugs. Keep an eye out for stumps and roots of a dead tree for your Leotoporus species, common name chicken of the woods, and you will find yourself a new dish that you can be versatile with. Tacos. I'm gonna fry them up tonight with some breading, or you could just saute them. I've made chicken of the woods fried rice. Say hi to Duke. Hot on the Trez. Peace and love.